Right, we're back, and you know what that means. It means we're gonna be looking at the chart. So let's see what to expect from the markets this week. Let's have a weekly outlook and see what to expect from these markets. So specifically, I like to look at gold, NAS, and US30. So let's go ahead and look at those pairs. So for gold, currently I can see that gold is still respecting this downtrending channel. So I'm just gonna go to daily and see if I have to adjust my levels or not. Well, you can see that I don't have any levels to adjust as of yet. So on a daily, let me just go to 4 hours. 4 hours. Still on 4 hours, we still have nothing to adjust, so we're still good, we're still cool. So let me just go ahead and scale down to 1 hour and just see what to expect from this setup this week and from this pair. So looking at gold right now, I can see that gold is still trading at that it's a resistance zone now because it was a support previously. So price then broke below that support, as you guys can see here, broke below, came back to test this one. So I'm still waiting to see what price is gonna do because it's still playing around this zone, which is a very strong resistance zone as of now. Should price be able to break above that, come back retest, then we're going to be looking for continuation to the upside. So that's what I see for gold. That's what I see. However, which is most probably likely to do, break below that midterm structure, come back, retest this zone, and then a continuation to the downside. So we're just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. We're just gonna wait and see what's gonna happen. Usually, gold doesn't move much on Mondays and Tuesdays. I wouldn't be surprised if it starts moving on Wednesday and then moves on Thursday and Friday. So this is what to expect from gold. As you can see, gold has been moving on a downtrend, and this is after it had broken that long-term bullish structure. So let me just show you guys here. Oh, that was on 4 hours, not daily. I'm sorry. This is after the structure has been broken. So might still continue to go to the downside, but we'll see. We'll have to wait and see what happens. Remember, we don't move, we don't control the market, we only react to what it tells us. So this is what I see from gold this week. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about this analysis. Let me know what you guys have on your setups and which pairs you guys looking at. So let me just go ahead and go to NAS100. So yeah, I think here we have a lot of adjusting to do because I can see that I have to delete those trend lines there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete them. Guys, do make sure to follow me on TradingView. I get to share ideas which turn out to be signals really if you look at them very carefully, because I'm basically just telling signals there on TradingView. So just make sure to go ahead and follow me, and that's my profile there. Let me show you guys. So that's my profile, TradingView profile. Sorry to go off topic. So this is my TradingView profile. If you guys want to follow me, just go ahead and go there and follow me. And yeah, let's continue looking at the charts. Oh my god, this thing is so low. Alright, if I still remember very well, we were looking at NAS. So Now, as I can see that it's still moving on a downtrend, but however, it has just rejected this zone, and that is a very strong rejection there. It's a very strong rejection. So I can see that I have to mark this level here. Just go ahead and delete it. You can see that NAS is going on a downtrend. If you guys can just take a look at this one, take this one, that high, connect with that high and that high and that high. You connect them together, you go ahead and clone that one so that you get your support side of this channel. So this is what we have at the moment. So just gonna go scale down. For gold, for NAS100, I can see that currently we are on a downtrend, and it's a very strong downtrend. We're currently trading at a support, the resistance zone which the market broke has created has been respecting. You can see that's a nice drop there. So here I can already see that it has a probability of just dropping to the downside, but should it break above there, come back retest, we're going to look for a further movement to the upside. But then for us to be very safe with our buys, we're gonna just wait for the market to break above this level, come back retest this, then you will look for further continuation to the upside. So that's when you're going to be safe for buys, because as of now the market is still respecting this channel, so it wouldn't be very safe for us to look for long-term buys. So let me just go ahead and delete that. See if I can still have another trend, because I can see that I'm getting some very beautiful touches there. So let me just go ahead and clone that one and see if I can have a valid resistance side of that channel, which is really not that bad, but I don't like having a single touch like that. So I'll just move with this, with the top part. So just move with the top part. Sometimes you have to do a trial and error. No analysis is too perfect, guys. It's all about how you're gonna execute your trades. After you analyze, you can have the best analysis and still not be able to execute the trades. So you guys can see here, I have that. So if you look properly, we had a break of structure. We had this bearish trend again inside that bearish trend, which the market broke out of. This is similar to gold and to gold, how gold is currently moving. If you check this, so we just broke out of this excuse me, we just broke out of this channel, broke that structure, but currently we're still respecting this resistance level. So wouldn't be surprised if it still continue to go to the downside, but as of now I see no clear confirmation of where the market might still go. But then because this rejection here, the rejection to this rejection here, it's a very strong confirmation that the market might still go to the upside, but we still look for further confirmation that would tell us that the market is still looking to go to the upside, because this was a strong rejection by the market, as you guys can see, to this support area. So wouldn't be surprised if NAS continued to go to the upside and bought and went ahead and broke this structure. But like I always say, we don't control this, and we don't control the market. We only react to what it's telling us. So this is how I see NAS for this week. Should NAS be able to break below this level, come back retest here, we look for a further continuation to the downside. We look for further continuation to the downside, right? However, should it then go up here, break this structure, then we'll look for the continuation to the upside. So that's when we'd have a confirmed bullish momentum from NAS100. But then for now, I still see it's still playing, still hasn't decided what it's going to do as of now. But then we'll just keep on monitoring and see what's going to happen and see if we're able to catch trades. Remember, today is still Monday, the market has just opened, so normally on a Monday the market doesn't really move that much, so I don't like trading on a Monday. So let's go to USDT. USDT is same thing. I have to delete this and then go to 4 hours and see if I need to adjust any levels. Okay, I see that USDT rejected this zone and just shot up. So with that being said, I see I have to adjust that. So put that right there and then really just mark that whole zone there. And then I see that now I have to delete that and then focus on this one. Okay, this gap says a lot. That gap right there says too much. So let me scale down to 1 hour and see. So I see that I still have to mark this. I still have to adjust this one and then cater for those touches there. And then just go ahead and delete that one. And I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one again. Remember, we're trying to make the chart look as clean as possible for us to be able to reprice without any noise. Without any noise. Already you can see that USDT is rejecting that zone. That's a nice drop right there. That's a nice drop. But before that actually happened, you see that there was a break of structure and a retest and then continuation to the upside. So you see break of structure came back retested and then just shot up. So for now I wouldn't be surprised if it came back to this zone, but it's most likely to break above and then continue to go to the upside. Remember, this is a record high. The market has never got this high. USDT has never been this high, so might be looking to come back and test that high right there. So let me just go back to 4 hours and see really if I really need anything that's going to show me what's happening. Right, so I don't think I need anything else. So okay, let's just adjust that and mark and see. So this is what I see for USDT for this week. Wow, this is just a clear uptrend, guys. USDT, I see USDT shooting up. Like, honestly, I see USDT going up. Well, alright, so let me just check if I can be able to connect those two lines there, highs, and go ahead and clone that and see if I can have clear. Alright, so yeah. Right, so look for USDT. USDT is a clear uptrend. We still, that bullish momentum is there. We're still looking for further pushes to the upside. So what I wait to see happening is just to wait to see the market break above this zone and then just look to for a continuation to the upside, because this is a clear uptrend. It's a strong bullish momentum when you're looking at it. So just wait for the break above there and a retest, and then just wait to see what's going to happen once the market comes here. If it actually manages to break above this high, then it's going to skyrocket. It's going to skyrocket and just continue going up, shooting up like crazy. So this is what I see for this pairs this week. This is what I see. So USDT gold and NAS100, all of them looking very beautiful. The setups are very beautiful this week. I think this week is going to be NFP weeks, so I wouldn't be surprised if we get a lot of manipulations, a lot of rejections, a lot of spikes, a lot of stop hands. So yeah, we have a lot of. I just want to see what's going to happen in the markets this week. A lot to expect from the markets. A lot of volatility, a lot of manipulations and stop hands. So again, guys, this has been the analysis for this week, and yeah, man, just let me know what your analysis look like, which pairs you guys are looking at. So, and also don't forget to go follow me on TradingView. That's where I share a lot of ideas. That's where I share ideas, and I don't want to say signals. I share ideas, guys. So if you want to see these things, if you want to see me post these things live, just go follow me on TradingView. So yeah, guys, thank you.